Guys, pauwi na kami galing trabaho. Ayan. Dito po yung Tunis Street, Hawali. Ayan, ola. Apaw. Ang mga mabisinan, tilukanan. Mayat mat na eh. Mayat, ang ganda. Ay, bismillah. Balik. Shop, Al-Sadiq Shop, shopping. Ay, shopping mall. Ayan. Niya ko nam?
Nakita di kasi di problema niya.
Ayan, oh. Gaganda guys ng mga bahay dito, oh. Ayan, guys. Pauwi na po kami. Ingat po tayo. Araw-araw.
Tomorrow or finish today?
No, we have 2 days more.
Only night.
And we have 6 days and 360, inshallah.
No, Sarah didn't tell me anything.
I don't know if she have.
I wish forgot to tell me.
Ayan, yan, ayan, yung gasolinahan. Ayan, may bus din dito kami sa Kuwait. Ayan po yung bus namin, kulay red. Ayan yung bilihan ng pagkain. May Burger King, Pizza Hut, KFC. Ang ingay ko ron. Ayan guys, ang ganda dito. Saan ang bahay mo, bunso? Ayan, bawal ang marites dito. Naka-live. Ayan po, nandito po. Ayan po, gusto nyo pong kumain ng KFC, Burger King, KFC. Ayan, malapit lang sa bayan, guys.
Yeah. You have tomorrow?
Yeah, we have tomorrow.
Okay. So finish because you didn't tell me. I'm thinking you will not tell me. Okay. Don't worry. 3 days.
Ayan, guys, nagulyanin na tong transport
No
namin.
problem. 3 days you can sleep now.
Ayan.
Okay. Okay, no problem.
Pinagalitan tuloy. Ay, napagalitan tuloy. Ayan guys, ayan, ingat po tayo. Ayan, ganda. Ano ba yan? Uwi na ako, naalis na yung antok ko. Kanina sa trabaho ko, antok ako, grabe. Uminom kasi ako ng kopi na 2 baso. Antok ako. Halos may matay ako sa antok. Alam mo yung parang mahimatay ka sa antok, no? Ayan guys, yung bus na. Maraming bus dito, pero pagod. Ayan, ano to? Ayan, Silvania. Silvania ba dito? Ayan ang mga pharmacy. Ayan yung padala ng pera, guys. Ayan, guys.
May home this one. Bus stop.
Yan ka sa bus stop, Bunsaw.
Mindanao?
Yeah, Mindanao.
Malapit lang palang bahay natin. Ang bahay ko dun, Udeng.
So you are in Mindanao. We'll go there or we'll be pass here? What?
No, tumawid ka na lang. No?
What will you do? Tell me.
Yeah, make U-turn.
Hala.
Mindanao only? Or far?
Yeah,
This is
I'm
Mindanao.
walking.
This is Mindanao.
Ay, dito pala ako pupunta, Daing.
Oo.
Oh, sige. Ingat ka, Bye.
If I go there, I have to bring back again the dressing.
Yeah. How about me? I'm so late. I want to sleep. Ayan guys, yung palaruan dito o yung mga magpa-football ka. Ayan. Yeah, you can come here inside, right? It's good.
Me?
Yeah, here. Yeah, direct my home.
Yeah, I drove you. Don't worry.
I know, I think you go straight. Thank you. Not my house is not in pharmacy.
I know that.
How you know my home there that side?
Because 2 days I saw you were crossing there.
Really? Really?
I drove you there. 2 days.
Ah,
I drove
yeah.
you.
You dropped me in the school, then I'm
Yeah.
going to. Yeah.
2 days I drove you there.
Thank you. inshallah, we have more.
Fatima is your sister, eh?
Yeah. Sa Ate Fatma is my sister. She's my sister. Why? It's not Bayan?
Long time I didn't see her.
No, she don't have
She's
today.
very good.
Ah?
Very good. Your sister is very good.
Good, yeah.
Very good, your sister. I like her. Very good. She's very polite.
Yeah, maybe we will call you next exhibition. Ate Sarah always. Here? Yeah, come in there.
Yeah, here. When I go to
No, it's okay. Thank you, Brad. Thank you so much.
Good night.
Okay, good night, sir. Okay, bye. Ay, po Diyos. Ang sakit ng paa ko. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Nandito na naman yung buwan, oh. Uwi na ako sa Pinas. Nakaka-homesick pag may buwan. Araw-araw na lang. Ayan, yung bahay namin may matam. Ayan, guys. Oh, ayan. Ay, good evening. What is that? Nakatakot naman dito. Oh, may form pala dito. Ayan, guys. Yes. Ayan. Ayan. Thank you, Lord. I'm home. I'm home. Sweet home. Ay, Diyos ko. My God. It's too much pain. Oh, God. Believe me. God. Ayan, ang elevator namin. Ang kati-kati ng buhok ko. Pag inaamoy yan ang sarap. Ang bango-bango, ang puti-puti. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. Ayan na yung halaman namin. Oh. Ayan, daming bike. Ito. Saan na yun? Where ka na? Where ka na? Where? Where's Mikey? Ayan na. Papasok na mi. Ay, ang dilim. Wow. Bahay kubo. Yahoo. Ayan, bahay na namin. Ayan, thank you guys. Love you all. Good night.